This is how massive wind turbine bearings are made inside an incredible forged gear factory.
Wind turbine bearings begin with enormous forged steel billets designed for extreme rotational loads.
Each steel piece is selected to meet the structural demands of giant wind turbine bearings. Precision alloy composition is critical for long-life wind turbine bearing performance.
Surface finish is critical for wind turbine bearing lifespan.
Extreme loads verify bearing durability. Smooth operation conforms precision manufacturing. Final cleaning prepares bearings for delivery. Residual removal protects bearing surfaces.
Coatings prevent corrosion during transport.
Each wind turbine bearing is fully traceable. Identification ensures life cycle tracking. Bearings are prepared for global shipment. Secure packaging protects massive bearings. Impact protection is critical for turbine bearings. Final sealing completes bearing packaging. Finished wind turbine bearings await dispatch. Storage conditions preserve bearing quality. Logistics prepares bearings for transport. Shipment phase begins for turbine bearings. Bearings are moved to wind turbine assembly sites. Safety ensures secure delivery. Wind turbine bearings leave the forge facility. These bearings power renewable energy worldwide. Production never stops for wind turbine bearings. Scale manufacturing meets global demand. Continuous forging sustains bearing supply.
Human expertise supports automated bearing production.
Machine health maintains bearing accuracy.
Production flexibility supports turbine projects.
Each bearing supports massive wind turbines. These components carry extreme rotational forces. Surface perfection defines bearing efficiency. Only certified bearings leave the factory.
Compliance ensures global installation readiness.
Bearings are shipped worldwide. Manufacturing cycle completes. Forged gear factories enable renewable energy. Wind turbine bearings require massive infrastructure. The process repeats for every bearing. Raw material becomes critical energy hardware.
Every stage is optimized for bearing strength.
Precision manufacturing drives wind power reliability. Testing safeguards turbine performance. Material science supports bearing longevity.
Engineering defines bearing success.
Performance validation is essential. Output meets energy sector demand.
These bearings are truly massive.
Structural strength supports turbine blades.
Global delivery completes the process.
Wind turbine bearings move worldwide. Industrial discipline ensures quality.
Controlled environments protect bearings.
Vision systems enhance accuracy. Integrated production defines forged gear factories. Efficiency supports large-scale bearing output. Each unit powers renewable energy systems.
Manufacturing scale meets global wind power growth.
The forged gear factory operates continuously. Wind turbine bearings are built with precision and power. Engineering excellence defines turbine bearing quality.
This is how massive wind turbine bearings are made.